Hi there viewers, I'm going to show you a good app which is free at the App Store for the iPhones, iPads and iPods. I'm not sure if it's free for the Androids, or I don't even know if it's on them yet, so comment if it is on the Androids and just let me know. It's called Subway Surfer or Subway Surf. It's free and I recommend getting this app. I'll just show you here. The graphics are really good on this app. You get perks and you're basically getting chased by this man and this dog for graffitiing on a train. And as you get through the level, it gets harder and harder. The aim of the game is to collect the coins and to see how far you can get. You get perks and stuff like the mystery box here, and you get a jet, you get these shoes, and you get a magnet. I do like this game, it's a really cool game. Trains do move, as you just saw there. And you can go on top of them while they're moving. It's quite an addictive game. It does get really hard though, really hard. Alright, these are the boots. I'll just get the boots for you here. Basically it makes you jump really high, like you can jump over trains like this. And if you die, it does that. You can also double tap and it can save your life. See this mystery box where I got in the game? And now I got coins where you can get loads of different things. You can go against your friends on this game. And you can upgrade all of your things and buy different people. You can buy boards, you can upgrade everything. It's a really good game. It's called Subway Surfers, or Subway Surf, or Subway Surfer, whichever one you prefer. And I repeat, it is free. Hope you enjoyed this app. I hope you enjoyed this app. And please subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.